Everyone, Megan Connolly from Lowe Scott Fisher, and today I wanted to answer a question that we hear all the time, and that's how do I figure out what my case is worth? So to start, I think it's important to know the categories of damages that are available to people who have been injured by someone's negligence. And certainly as an injury attorney, I consider it my job for each of my clients to look at the categories and figure out, have we made every claim that this person's entitled to, and have we thought about how to maximize the value in each of the categories? So the first category is economic damages. These are things that the injured person has suffered that actually have dollar signs attached to them. Examples would be your medical bills or the property damage, things that were broken that needed to be replaced. Also, economic damages include things like lost wages for your time off of work or the benefits that you lost from taking time off of work. And unfortunately, for some of our clients, their injuries are permanent and or disabling. And so for those folks, it's part of my job to figure out how we can estimate those economic losses going into the future. So that would include things like the inability to return to work or the ability to return to work but make less money, and those future medical costs as well. Another category available to our clients under Ohio law is non-economic damages. These are things that do not have a dollar sign attached to them already. This would be what you hear referred to as pain and suffering. So things that are very significant for figuring out, a pain and suffering award would be, literally how painful was the injury, how long of a time frame did you suffer from that injury, and there are a lot of factors that insurance companies and juries consider when they're thinking about what value to assign in terms of non-economic damages. So in a future video, I'm going to dig a little bit deeper into how, as attorneys, we analyze the value of a case in terms of the economic and the non-economic damages. If you have any questions about this topic or any of our other videos, you can always give us a call at Lowe Scott Fisher.